Another disturbing drug bust in the Bronx nearly 2 weeks after the shocking death of a baby poisoned by fentanyl at a daycare. The DEA says agents uncovered 40 pounds of fentanyl worth about $1.5 million inside of an apartment just 6 blocks away from that daycare. Eyewitness News reporter NJ Burkett is live with how agents say the ringleader carted the drugs around the city, possibly putting people in danger. NJ?
That's right, Sade, outside the New York City offices of the DEA, where federal agents say the level of recklessness, the degree of danger, was mind-boggling. Yes, 2 weeks ago, it was fentanyl in a daycare center. This week, fentanyl in the transit system.
Federal agents say he carried the highly toxic, lethal drug through the New York City subway system during the evening rush hour. Roughly 30 pounds of fentanyl hidden in a suitcase. After he was arrested outside this apartment building on Heath Avenue in the Bronx, agents later discovered this, what they described as a fentanyl factory, with more of the drug and enough vials and loose powder and packaging to produce 10,000 doses. Even the smallest amount of fentanyl is up to 50 times stronger than heroin and 100 times stronger than morphine. Juan Gabriel Herrera Vargas is charged today as a major trafficker, along with multiple counts of drug possession.
This is extremely dangerous. If this drug were to get airborne, it would cause an enormous amount of problems. There was approximately 780,000 lethal doses of fentanyl in that rollaway suitcase that we interdicted.
It all comes less than 2 weeks after a toddler died of fentanyl exposure at a Bronx daycare facility, where police discovered narcotics, including a large quantity of fentanyl and other paraphernalia, concealed by plywood and tile flooring. Photos shared by police show bags full of powder inside a trap door, a few steps away from a shelf of children's toys. The Bronx daycare was just 6 blocks from the apartment where agents discovered the fentanyl mill. The cases are not linked, but agents say the implications are obvious.
It shows you that these traffickers don't care about the public safety. They only care about the greed and the money that they're going to make. Even after 4 babies were poisoned and 1 died, they're continuing to work. They're continuing to push this poison throughout New York City. That shows you their deliberate, calculated treachery to push the poison throughout New York City.
Again, the street value of the fentanyl seized in this latest case, $1.5 million. If he's convicted, the alleged trafficker faces up to 25 years in prison, but investigators say that this was a distribution network. So this investigation is not over tonight.